Okay, guess where we're at now? Yep, you guessed it, Chowking. We're just gonna do a little quick lunch and then be on our way.
Ito po yung samay alak. Tingin ko sa camera para makita ka sa YouTube. Ay, hindi na uso yung YouTube channel. So, parang nalapit ako.
What do we got there? All right, what's it called now? Rice.
Rice pork chow fan with the steamed siomai.
Yeah. And then I've got the rice and Shanghai. Good stuff.
This is your extra.
And then some extra stuff. So as you can see, the food here at Chowking is fit for human consumption. It's good grub. What do you think, hon? Good to go?
This is for our heavy meal for lunch.
There you go.
With sandwich and light dinner.
Yeah, this is our late lunch, so it's light dinner for tonight. Nice. Did you get enough to eat? All right, just finished with the Chowking. Did you get enough to eat?
Yeah.
All right.
Twice.
Huh?
You need to ask me twice.
I had to ask you twice because I didn't hear your answer. Oh, we never come back here. Really not much to it. It's not a mall that's going to blow your socks off.
I will just reply. Daniel already. He received this one.